Hi guys and welcome on my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to turn off the news, the Discover feed on Chrome and Google on iPhone. So here I have the Chrome app and here are the news, and if you want to turn off this news feed, it is very easy on Chrome. You need to tap here on this icon. And from here you can turn it off, the Discover feed. Just tap here, and now if I exit, as you can see, I don't have any more that news. Also, if you want to turn off these links or these cards, again tap on this icon, and from here you can turn it off, and that's all. Now let's go to the Google app, and again here we have the Discover feed, the news. And to turn it off, here you need to tap on this profile icon, and here tap on settings, again tap on other settings, and here we have the Discover feed. Tap here to turn it off, and now if I exit, as you can see, I don't have any more that news. So it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.